with great humility, I accept this honor from this great organization. Thank you. Mr. Dir is always on TV. A lot of people are following him. They tell, do you know him? I said, yes, I happen to know him, starting from our village. So the great work that Touch is doing, and if somehow directly or indirectly being associated with it is our pleasure. I always say this is my favorite. In friendship, everybody is a winner. In war, everybody is a loser. So when you are with friends, 1 plus 1 makes not 2, makes 11. Whatever endeavor you are doing, if a temple comes, it will be one of the exemplary and environment friendly temple, where there will be reduce, recycle and reuse. Where people will be seen as people, they will be useful to the society, whichever way they are. It will work to reduce social isolation, will give company and mentoring to each other to enhance life. And if there is extra money in the temple at some time in my life, it's not going to cover the top of the temple. That with gold, that money will be going to the people who need it most. So with that aspiration,